Samsung announced a new wearable device, that is Galaxy Ring. Samsung said the Galaxy Ring is part of the intelligent health lineup on display at the Mobile World Congress 2024, which kicked off Monday morning in Barcelona. In a release about the conference, Samsung said the Galaxy Ring simplifies everyday wellness, supporting smarter and healthier living via a more connected digital wellness platform. A Samsung executive told that this ring will go on sale later this year without naming date or a price. This Samsung ring will be marketed for people who want the benefits of tracking their health data without having to learn a new device as the data feeds to a Samsung app. The data collected will be more from sleep and health than fitness. For example, the Samsung Ring will not have workout auto detection feature that the Oura Ring provides. It will provide fertility tracking. It is not intended to replace Samsung Galaxy Watch series, and using both at the same time could improve the data user receive. Unpacked, the head of the digital health team at Samsung Electronics, shared some hope and dreams for the wearable device with CNBC in an interview. He said the first iteration of the ring will have sensors to track data that wearers can access through the Samsung Health app. This device will provide a vitality score that collects data about physical and mental readiness to see how productive you can be. He said the company is looking into features such as contactless payment, glucose monitoring, and blood pressure sensoring through wearable devices.